All right, thank you, John. Excited about this one. This is kind of an old-fashioned fruit salad. Could also be a dessert.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I thought of that. You could put a nice shortbread crust underneath it and just have it for a dessert. And I looked up about Cool Whip. It's been on the market since like the late 70s, early 80s. So that's just has made a transformation in how people do salads and desserts and things, because they can just do this, just whip it up.
And then do you use the light or the regular for this?
I use extra creamy.
The good stuff.
Yes.
Okay.
So I had 4 ounces of cream cheese in the bottom. So you start, and we'll use the whole Cool Whip tub, but we'll just start kind of stirring the cream cheese, and if it's a little softened, it goes pretty good. And then you take a whole box, and I used lemon Jello, and just dump that in. And I think we decided that if you looked up Cool Whip recipes, it would just go on and on and on and on.
There's a lot.
There's a lot of them. And then the pineapple, this is just a small can of pineapple.
Crushed
The
pineapple?
crushed pineapple.
Okay.
And stir. Mandarin oranges. We'll stir.
Oh, Carol, you got to get them all.
Got to get them all in, yes.
Yeah, good stuff. Okay.
And then
Marshmallows?
we'll put some marshmallows in.
Okay.
We'll keep stirring and stirring. And then we'll go with the nuts. And if somebody is allergic to nuts, you can put a little bit of celery in there, and that'll give it a kind of a crunch.
Oh, instead of the nuts. Okay.
Yeah, kind of a crunch.
Cool.
And then we'll put
The cherries?
cherries, yeah. Can't even think of the name of the cherries.
Maraschino?
Maraschino, there we go.
Did I say that right? I think
because I dumped mandarin oranges and maraschino, my one-track mind, you know.
All
So you
right.
stir it, and it tastes good right away, but also the longer it sets, it tastes good. And like I said, how many things are there of putting pudding in Cool Whip, Jello in
Exactly.
Cool Whip, fruit, nuts, everything.
I made the orange tapioca salad for Thanksgiving.
Mm-hmm.
Again, with Cool Whip, and always a good one. And this
Yeah.
would be perfect for Christmas.
Oh, absolutely. And like I said, it's a graham cracker crust or a shortbread crust, and you'd have a good dessert and put another layer of Cool Whip or cream cheese on top. And
Is this your recipe or one you found?
It was one out of a church cookbook that my mom had put together back in the 80s. And she and her girlfriends decided that St. Stephen's Episcopal Church in Ashland that was kind of disrepaired. It needed an uplift. So they got together and they got funds together to redo the church, and in the process they did a cookbook. So as
Okay,
I was going
here
through
it
the
is.
cookbook.
You found
There it
this.
was.
There, and those are always the best.
Yes.
When they come from the church cookbook. And so let's give it a try. Very good. Just as I remembered having this. This is so good.
Yes.
So good. As I chew here, this recipe is on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page. If you want to copy it down and try it for yourself, very popular. Thank you, Carol.
Thank you.
All right, back to you, John.